Hello and namaste. Welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to make a product packaging design using Canva. For any product packaging design, our first problem is how to get our exact measurements, the die lines, the structure of any packaging design. This problem is solved by Pacdora. Today we are using the Pacdora and the Canva to make our product packaging design. The Pacdora website is very nice. It provides 4000 plus packaging designs plus die lines plus mockups plus templates, everything in just single website. So we are going to use it and I will show you how to make the design in Canva and use the Pacdora app to make your product a 3D modeling effect and everything else. Just stay tuned with me till the end of the video and you definitely gonna love it. So let's make
Like all the problems is solved in Pacdora. It is an amazing website. The things like where should we get the mockups, the templates, or the exact measurements of the die lines for our packaging designs, all this kind of stuff, it is solved. All these problems are solved in the Pacdora website. So here we are in the Pacdora website where you can use 4,900 plus packaging templates, die lines, and mockups. There are many mockup generator here. There are many 3D modeling software is also their option. Templates and guidelines generator. There are many amazing mockups also providing here like box mockups, bottle or jug mockups. All the products are here. Their mockups, their dimensions are provided in the Pacdora. Pacdora is very user friendly. Like anyone can use it. Along with it, it has many features like on in a single website, all the templates, die lines, all kinds of stuff you will get. You can use the template and die line to get the exact measurements for your design, and you can design in any software you want. And after making that design, you can use the mockup generator option here to see how it actually looks in a mockup. And after using the mockup generator, you can use those mockups in 3D modeling software where ready-made assets are there where you can see it in a 3D modeling or like an advertisement effect to it. There are lots and lots of options. This is very user-friendly. Pacdora provides very comprehensive packaging design tools. And the best part is you don't have to install any software. This is a free website, which is the amazing. I really loved it. You can use any of your designing software here like Adobe, Canva, anything else. And on using those softwares for making your design, you can use those design to generate the mockup, modeling, anything else. And here in the template and die lines generator, you will find die lines and the measurements for all kinds of stuff like folding boxes, cards, tags, cans, tubes, jars, wrappers, and many other. It's really amazing. A single website providing all kinds of mockups. It is rare and it is really wonderful too. So from here you will get the exact measurement so you can design very precisely in this website. And pricing is also affordable as it is providing many wonderful content in just single website. But if you want a discount, you can use APURBA20 code to get 20% discount. So you can use that code and get 20% discount and use this amazing customizable templates, mockups and 3D modeling options. Here I will show you. This is styling where your mockup will style like this and it is really looks stunning. So I will make one design in Canva and I will show you all the features by making the 3D modeling, mockup, everything. Just stay tuned with me till the last and your all doubts will get clear. So let's make our design first. Let's go to Canva. So now we are going to make our design in Canva. For that, we need to have a die line, which means a outer structure. What are the dimensions and how we have to create it? For the dimensions, as I have told earlier about Pacdora website. So we will use the Pacdora website for our die line and we are ready to go. I will tell the overview in हिंदी also. तो अभी हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं हमारी डिज़ाइन मेकिंग जो कि हम कैनवा में बनाने वाले हैं। जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया है हमारी पैक्डोरा वेबसाइट के बारे में जो कि बहुत सारे डाई लाइन्स मॉकअप्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं और यहाँ पे हमें बहुत डायमेंशंस भी मिल जाएंगे कि कोई पैकेजिंग का कितना डायमेंशंस होना चाहिए। तो हम उस हिसाब से उसे डिज़ाइन करके वो मॉकअप में डालेंगे तो हमें एक एग्जैक्ट पता चलेगा कि ये कैसे दिखेगा इन रियल। सो अभी हम जो डिज़ाइन बनाने वाले हैं उसके लिए हम पैकडोरा साइट पे जाएंगे और इस साइट पे ये जो सारे ऑप्शंस आपको दिख रहे हैं हम इसे यूज़ करेंगे बाद में। जैसे हम पहले डिज़ाइन बना लेंगे उसके बाद हम 3D मॉडलिंग और मॉकअप जनरेटर ये सब यूज़ करेंगे। फिलहाल हमें लगेगा टेम्पलेट्स एंड डायलाइन जनरेटर। हम यहाँ जाएंगे और इसमें आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस भी दिख रहे हैं, आप इसमें से कोई भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं। आज मैं चूज़ कर रही हूँ ये वाला कस्टम डायमेंशंस टक एंड बॉक्सेस डबल ट्रेड डायलाइन और ये उसका नंबर है। यहाँ पे आपको इसके सारे डायमेंशंस मिल जाएंगे और हम इसे डाउनलोड करेंगे पीडीएफ फॉर्म में और आप यहाँ देखेंगे तो ये कैसे ओपन होगा वो भी दिखाया जा रहा है। सो वी हैव गॉट our all the dimensions and here you can see how the box can get opened and we will download this Dieline in the PDF format. So download the Dieline, we will click here. It have got downloaded. After downloading it, you can go to your file section where it have already downloaded and you can took the screenshot, or the other way is you can simply upload it in Canva. But screenshot is comfortable with me, so I am using the screenshot. Now we will go to Canva. In the Canva, we have to upload the dimensions. So here we have got the inside dimensions, outside dimensions, but we only need the design area, that is 14.7835 inches by 12.1654 and blah blah blah. This kind of dimensions. Simply you have to just upload these dimensions in Canva. In Canva, in a create a design in custom size, first make it in inches and then upload this dimension, that is 14.7835. It will take it like this and then 12.165. Okay, then create a new design. So here we get the blank page. Now we have taken the screenshot earlier as I told you. Now we will simply use this screenshot and we will drag this to the maximum size like this. Now we will simply take the square from the element section. In the element section, we will search for square and we will choose this and we will simply arrange it roughly as I'm showing you. There are many options here. You can round the corner or unround the corner like this. And the color of the boxes I want is, I will give you the code of that color, that is hash FD F6 F3, this one. So we will just roughly drag the boxes here. Do not worry about the lines, the borders. We will consider it in last. At first, you have to just drag all the boxes according to the structure. That's it. Now I will round the corners a little bit like this. Okay. Now like this, you have to do all the boxes. I will do it like this. Okay. Now simply just drag it and do it. And simply we are doing this. Yeah, we are done. Since it is white in color, you may not see anything. We have put all the boxes according to our structure. Now again we have to take that screenshot. In the edit we will remove the background and we simply will use it like this so that we know the red lines and the other lines like this. Yeah. Now we will add the ruler. Here you will get the rulers and we will simply drag it on the red lines only. And the red lines are actually the lines where the actual box will get folded out. And this blue line is the safe line. And the green line is we have to. And the green line is like you do not have to go beyond this. So we simply drag the rulers on the red line like this. On all the red lines, we will drag the rulers. Yeah. So in short, we have got the map. हमें हमारा नकाशा मिल गया है. Now we will delete the screenshot. Only the lines will get visible now. So like this, if we go, we will select this and in the layers, if we go on show layers, we will delete the screenshots we have used like this. Now we have got our only lines here and we will add the elements accordingly. Like from here it will get folded, so we will add elements accordingly. So first comes, I will show you this box is our front, this is front and this is the back and this is the side of it. So on the front I am going to add my product. Today we are going to make a kind of a sort of a face scrub for a demo brand. So I have choose this one and I have downloaded it actually, this picture. You can download it from Google or can use from any other website, the basic photo. From here, we will zoom on our particular section and we will reduce its size. I think it's sufficient. Now we will add other elements around it. Like in the element section, I will tell you the elements. I have used this activated charcoal of bamboo stalk. How you will get it in the element section, simply search for activated charcoal. I will tell you all the name of the element so that you can search it in the element section, activated charcoal. In the graphics, you will get many pictures, and in photos, you will get the stuff like this. See, very diverse kind of a stuff you will get here. So you can customize it accordingly. I will tell you what I have used and you can change it like this. So I am using this activated charcoal of bamboo stalk and I will reduce its size. I will remove the background and I don't want to change it in a filter. So I will simply make it small like this and I will place it here. Now we will add some another elements. Now I will add activated charcoal powder, black charcoal powder on table. Simply you have to search these elements in the element section and you will get many options here. Remove the background and reduce the size and I will place it here. Some of its part will get into other side and it will really look nice. So I am making it a little bit larger like this. Now I am using just in the element section, search for charcoal background and in the photos you will get many options. Among these I am using one. Anyone can look nice. I am using this kind of. Now I will reduce the size like this and we will drag it like this for the complete page and we will duplicate it till the line and we will place it backward, layer it to the backward like this. You can reduce its transparency. Now we are making the front page, so I am adding some another elements here. We will add the text, that is heading. Name of the brand I am adding, that is Char Glow, and we will take the font here, Abril. We will simply search in this. We will get this Abril and it is looking nice and I will reduce its size. Patiently you have to listen to whole video, then you will get the idea of how to do this and I promise at the end of the video it will really worth it. So wait and watch. We will arrange it like this. Now in the element we will search for black platform. I'm not sure, you have to just search for many elements and you will get the elements you want. Now it is not looking nice, so we have to try some another elements. We can use something like this. We will reduce its size. Making a product packaging is actually a game of patience. You have patiently wait and have to make the things like this, like this. Now we have added the Char Glow, name of our brand in the April. Now we will add the subheading, that is face wash. We will use the font or you can simply scroll and use any of it. There are thousands and thousands of options here, free and paid also. So you can use any of it. We will place it here. Now we will add another element. This is our backside. So we will add this samples of activated charcoal face mask on white background. You can search it in elements here and you will get it. I will reduce its size and use it here. And we will take this picture. This is a random picture of woman with wet hair and coffee scrub and it is looking like the charcoal scrub, so I am using it. And now I will remove the background. You can download it from Google too, but Canva have many good options, so I am using it. We will place it here for nice look. Yeah, it's looking nice. You can add face scrub steps. You will get the graphics. You can choose it from here. You can add such kind of steps here like this. For in the element section I will search for frame and I will choose a circular frame. I will reduce its size and simply put this in. You can add the steps like how to use the product. In the element section we will search for applied face scrub and we will get some good options. We will reduce its size and look how beautiful it is looking. We will simply arrange it like this. Now we will add some basic instructions here. In the font, we will use Georgia Pro or Gotham. You can use any of it. Or Garamond. You can use any of it. We will simply reduce its size. Since it is a tutorial product, I am using some basic instructions only to show. Like this, and now I will arrange it. We will justify the text. You can simply click it here in alignment and you can change the alignment of your text. Now in the elements section, we will add some another elements here. Like I will choose this one, that is black bamboo charcoal powder, and now I will reduce its size like this and clip it here, and will apply it like this. It is looking nice here, so we will use it here. We can use it like this, and we will layer some things to front. And now I will add this graffiti spray elements like this, and we'll reduce the size to give it really a good effect. Now like this, some here like this. It is something looking like this, like this. Now we will add some elements like natural wood charcoal here, and we'll remove the background and reduce the size, and we will use it simply like this. And we will add like some natural elements and dermatologically tested this kind of label. This label is also available in Canva, or you can download it from Google. I will add these elements like this, like this. Wow, it is really looking nice. I wish I have a brand, then I can design it like this. You can use your own creativity and make it like this. If you are a small business owner also, you are making some herbal products, you can use this kind of stuff like this, and you can reduce its transparency also. So now here we will add some random barcode just to show you. This can also available in the element section here. Now we will reduce its size and we'll place it here like this. We will add some details here like this. You can add another elements also. I am using this one. Now we will use some charcoal pencil structure like this. It will give a really textured effect to our product. I'm using it like this, and we can reduce its transparency also like this. And this portion is our outer box, so I will add some elements here. This is not looking nice. We will reduce the transparency and then place it backward like this. This will give it a really textured effect. Now this is the upper side, so I want to make it like this. From here, you can change the letter spacing. I'm using this, like I will duplicate it and change its color to white, and will place it here so that it will give a very nice text effect like this. Now it is perfectly ready. So our beautiful design is ready. Now we will change the design name here. We'll change it to packaging design, paste scrub, and we will download it. So now we have done with our design, and we have downloaded our design also. Now we will go to our Pacdora, where 4,900 plus packaging templates, Dielines and mockups are available. We will scroll down and you can see this kind of tube mockups. Every kind of mockup is available here like this. You can choose any of your packaging and you can design it on your own like this. Boxes, paper boxes, everything is available here. Even 3D modeling software is available. After making your product, you can model it also like this. So this is really a very good website, I must say. Pacdora is really an amazing website. a single website providing all the facilities, which a single website providing all this amazing kind of stuff. Wow, it's really nice. Now we will use it. Now we will go in the mockup generator. We have again opened our design, our Dieline design, and we will go here in design online option. Here this kind of interface is open. Now here you have the option of upload images. You can upload the image here, your design. I have opened my design. Now we will adjust it according to the size like this. We will adjust it like this. And you can see the box here by opening it like this. Now here you can save this. You can save this here. After saving, you can see this in the 3D also. Like how will it open? Wow, it is looking amazing. So this is our product. Wow, see, you can see it from all sides like this. Like this, we have to adjust it and we can see it in 3D. So where the adjustment is needed, we will do the adjustment. It's almost perfect. So from here, you can save it, and after saving, you can see this is our product, which is looking nice. This is our front view, and this is where we have added that char glow. So you can see how amazing this box is looking from all the angles. Especially this one, char glow, it is really looking nice. And you can design your packaging like this. From here, you can change the background. Like you can choose any of the colors. You can choose any of the color and you can super export it. On super export, you can use it in PNG format like this. Now you can add the video also, like how your product will look. I will download some of the mockups and put it in it. It will look like this. We will export in MP4 format. We will export it in 2-3 formats. So we have downloaded it. Now we will use the 3D modeling option. And in the 3D modeling, you can see the product like this. We can choose the color gradient also like this. And we choose this one as it is going with our product. So I am choosing this one, and now you can download it in this format, that is super render. I will super render this, but the option here is you can see it in JPG or PNG format. So I am using the PNG format and I am exporting it. You can switch to other scenes also and put it like this. Here also you can change the color like this. Here you can change the background also. You can have as many as 3D models you want. You can have the lighting also, that is daylight or silky moonlight. There are many amazing options in Pacdora. So you can use any of it. Like it's really great. I must say this website is really nice. You can use this simple also. And in the asset, you will get some kind of shapes if you want to add it. Since I don't want it, I will not take it. And then you can choose it like this. You can change the color gradient and I will super render it. You can experiment with your products like this and finalize it which kind of product you want. So I am just using it to show you how the Pacdora website actually works. Pacdora is indeed a very nice app, I must say. Pacdora is very nice. See how beautiful and how many kind of scenes and models and background lightning effects you will get here. This is really amazing. It's really nice. I think I am loving it. I will again switch it and experiment with other stuffs also. You can get the ready-made scenes here. Wow, this is very nice. And you can change the background of it also like this. Wow, it's really amazing. And you can super render it also. This website is really useful, from dielines to mockups, templates, and 3D modeling. Everything is just amazing. You should use this website also. If you want to purchase this website, I will give you a discount coupon or code here in the description. Please check it out. Now I have super rendered it and I will give you a slideshow of all I have downloaded, a complete product kind of family. At last, I will show you the slideshow of all the things I have downloaded it, and you can see how much beautiful it is.
we have seen how to use our Pacdora website, the features of the Pacdora website, and we have make a very beautiful product packaging design in Canva also. We have used Dielines from the Pacdora. We have used our Canva design, put it in a mockup. We have done the 3D modeling also. I am sure you love this video very much. Please do comment if you really like my content so that I can make many other product packaging designs also. If you want to purchase the Pacdora, then use the code Apurva20 and you will get the flat 20% discount. So stay tuned for many such amazing content. Thank you.